Hi, my name's Maria. I'm a Stage 4 mechanical engineer specializing in biomedical engineering. Mechanical engineering at Newcastle is unique for a number of reasons. The curriculum was designed to be challenging but also rewarding, providing a hands-on experience to engineering principles that you can take with you into the industry afterwards.
We have an interdisciplinary approach shaped by emerging technologies, artificial intelligence, robotics, sustainability principles.
The way the flexible first year works is that you would study the same common first year modules as a mechanical engineer, an electrical engineer, and a civil engineer to make an informed decision about which one you really want to study. It gives students this flexibility to be able to really pursue their passions. This is the atrium. It acts as a common area within the Stevenson building. You can come with your laptop and study, or even use one of the PCs available to you in any of the PC clusters next door. The Stevenson building is the home of the mechanical engineers.
The Stevenson building is fantastic. It's aimed to be one of the top facilities in the north. Students having access to those facilities put them at the forefront of the world. We have the knowledge, the expertise, the creativity. We have the tools. This is the makerspace. This space boasts an impressive array of equipment, including state-of-the-art 3D printers, laser cutters, and even an embroidery machine. Engineering in general is of high demand in numerous industry sectors.
There are many opportunities within the degree to engage with industry. This could be through careers fairs. There's also the opportunity to work with industry as a third-year project.
Some of the industries that we work is Rolls-Royce, Siemens, Procter & Gamble, GlaxoSmithKline.
I feel as though the university has well prepared me for life after academia. The curriculum was designed to be up to date with all the latest industry trends so that when applying for jobs, my skill set is always going to be relevant and in demand.
Great institutions are made of great people. Newcastle University has world-class academics and researchers.
What I love most about my course is the diversity and the flexibility that it offers. There is something for everyone.